Hey everyone, welcome back to Loki's Kitchen. We are making Fisherman Okra soup today. Amazingly bold flavors, nutritious, amazing colors, and just so yummy, all in one pot. It's almost lunchtime here, so let's get started. Our ingredients are 5 cups of chopped okra, 2.5 cups of spinach. This is obviously previously frozen, and so with the okra, please make sure if you have frozen spinach and not fresh that you drain the excess water off, okay? Otherwise it may be too watery for you. Here we have 4 fillets of mahi-mahi, 12 jumbo shrimp that was marinated in a dash of salt, pepper, and lots of cilantro for that fresh taste. And finally, for our seafood, we have mussel meats here, okay? These really taste good. They're super flaky and they just go well with the soup. Vegetables, we have some chopped up onions. I use the medium sweet onion and Scotch bonnet peppers. You'll use that depending on how much heat you're looking for in the dish. And I'm going to use 1 seasoning cube. Knorr or Maggi works just fine. For our other seasonings, we have salt, pepper, curry, thyme, more cilantro. Can never go wrong with cilantro, guys. Garlic, squeezed ginger, generous amount of crayfish, and finally, our palm oil. This recipe is quick and easy, and I promise you it's foolproof. Let's get started. Here in your big old soup pot, you're going to take some palm oil, put a thin layer on the bottom, and let it get to temperature. When it gets to temperature, you're going to add your onions and let them fry. You hear that? Hear the sizzle? Yeah. Mix the onions around for about 2 to 3 minutes till they become translucent, okay? While we're doing this, I'm gonna chop up my okra, garlic, a little bit of ginger, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Let's add in our blended mix, a generous scoop of crayfish. Let it fry for 2 minutes. I put the crayfish in so that the crayfish can infuse the oil with the amazing taste of it, okay? So that's why I put the crayfish first. 2 minutes covered. Then we add the rest of our okra. Give it a good mix and let it sit covered for 3 more minutes on a medium heat. Add a 1/2 cup of water, salt, pepper, curry, thyme, cilantro, a seasoning cube. Stir the pot. Time to add our spinach. Stir it together, put it covered for 5 minutes to get all those flavors into every piece of spinach and okra in the dish. If you need to add a little bit more oil, you can do so now. If you like your soup a little bit more watery, you can add more water. Or if you like it more thick, you can leave it as is, okay guys? It's totally up to you and your liking, your preference. I wish you could smell my kitchen right now, guys. This is just looking and smelling so good and so yummy. Our last ingredient, we're going to put our seafood in. First we'll start with the mahi-mahi because that takes the most time to cook. We're going to put it in the pot, give it a good mix, and give it 5 minutes covered, okay? By itself. Do not add the shrimp or the mussel meats yet. They're too delicate, okay? 5 minutes covered. We're almost there. This is the final countdown, guys. Our fish is practically finished. We know that the mahi-mahi is almost cooked when it turns white, okay? Now, it's been, like I said, 5 minutes. We're going to add our shrimp. And our delicate mussel meats. The shrimp and the mussel meats are only going to take 2 to 3 minutes to cook. You do not want to overcook them because they will be rubbery. So mix it in. Give it a good mix. Put the top on and check back in 2 minutes. Shrimp's ready. Time for plating, my favorite part. Final product. Woo papa. Fisherman okra soup, guys. I am super excited. And I'm glad you're able to get my recipe today. Look at that. Flaky fish, beautiful mussel meat, and perfectly cooked shrimp. This is perfection in a bowl. Come with your swallow pounded yam. You can eat it with boiled yam, over rice, any way you choose. This is your creation. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy eating, guys. Until next time, bye.